Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to use Pinterest privacy settings for private or secret boards. So now let's get started. First of all, open the Pinterest app on your mobile device. Now tap on the plus icon and tap on board. To set this board as secret, while creating the board, simply toggle secret on to make it private. This makes the board visible only to you and anyone you invite. To change privacy of existing boards, simply go to your profile and tap on a board and tap on the three dots at the top right corner and again tap on edit board. Now scroll down, secret to change visibility. So this is how to use Pinterest privacy settings for private or secret boards. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.